In order to fix the chat is restricted in your region error on Roblox, you need to follow the simple steps. First of all, try changing your region settings. Open your computer search bar and type in region. Go to region settings, set the format to English and click on apply and then OK. After that, you also need to adjust the date and time settings. Open your computer search bar again and type in date and time. Go to date and time settings, click on the corresponding option, and then after go ahead and set your time zone. And if you want to synchronize your clock, go ahead and tap on sync now option. Ensure that it's set to correct format and go back to the previous settings. Now go to the region section and then after set your country or region and also set the current format to English. Close the settings window and this should resolve the issue. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.